Good boy, Cooper.
Come on, Cooper. Good boy. I'm recording it
Good boy.
so I can show how good Cooper is with Django. Look at you two boys.
Yeah.
Look at you two boys. You're locking along with you. There's a German Shepherd. Let's hope they don't see him.
Where?
He's on the chain.
I got scared.
I'll tell you if there's dogs off leash. If he's even out. Sometimes he's most of the time he's out. German Shepherds are very small, short-haired. Oh, look at you guys. Look at you cute doggies. Aren't you guys just cute doggies? Come on.
Good boy. Good boy. You guys are so good. Good boys.
Look at this. I've never seen this happen in my
Come
life.
on. We got a Cavalier and a pit bull, honey.
I don't think I would ever see this in my life. A Cavalier.
And a big bull.
A Cavalier.
A Cavalier.
Cavalier Bulldog. Oh, you think this is so cute. It's hard not to. It's so cute. Brooke would have been all stressed out.
He would.
She would have been like, hey, you need to stop those two dogs. I would, because I am. Oh no, I think I got your leash stuck, Cooper.